Here we have addition of two rational polynomial expressions. Now, just like with any addition of fractions, you need a common denominator. So I have an x minus 3 and an x plus 5. If they were the same, all I'd have to do is add the numerator, but they're not. So the common denominator is going to be both of them. So it'll be x plus 5 times x minus 3. I'm going to rewrite it again because both fractions need that common denominator in order to actually add the numerator. Well, my first fraction had an x, and I had x plus 5, but I had to multiply the denominator by x minus 3. So I'm going to multiply the numerator by x minus 3 as well. And the reason we do that is because technically x minus 3 over x minus 3 is 1, and multiplying anything by 1 doesn't change it. So really we're not changing anything, we're just getting a common denominator. Now over here, I'll bring my plus sign over, I've got the 2. X minus 3 is already there, so this one had to be times x plus 5, because the x plus 5 mean I'm multiplying by 1 technically, but I'm getting a common denominator. So my denominator will be x plus 3 times x plus 5 still, or sorry, x plus 5 times x minus 3. But my numerator, my first one is going to be x squared minus 3x. Bring my plus sign in from here. This one, if I multiply that through, I'd have 2x plus 10. So if I combine like terms on the top, I have x squared minus x plus 10 all over my common denominator of x plus 5 times x minus 3. We should check if this would factor, but I happen to know it doesn't because it could reduce at times. But 5 times 2 is 10, and 1 times 10 is 10, and that could never make a negative 1, so I know we're done, and that would be my final answer.